Good medical morning. Do you like learning about blackheads and pimples like this? Would you like to see highlights from folks like Dr. Sanjali, Dr. Vikram, and Dr. ER? Well, check out our favorite popping Facebook page. It's Facebook/FreakyMedical.
Hi friends, while operating a case, all of a sudden this sac came out and it was filled with
They have 10 to 20 new posts a day, including a lot of content that would be censored and removed from YouTube. That includes 5 to 10 popping videos per day. We'll put a link below, so make sure to check it out.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Still text.
Cool. Ah.
Hi guys, this is Alexa with a shout out for the team at Thinnergy. You guys are helping people lose weight so they can look great. Keep working hard for those beach bodies to make this year your best one ever. Make every day count, and I love every single one of you. Thank you guys. Love, Alexa.